Alright. We get one ice cream. We get one ice cream. And boys, I got an ice cream. Be good. It really tastes good, and I'm not saying it tastes good. Tastes good, man. Tastes rich and nice. Guess what now? I'm going to one joke. I was on a diet, you know. I was on a diet. And believe me, I never remember until I start to have the ice cream. Yeah, I never remember a thing until I start to have the ice cream. No, sir. I never remember at all. Never remember until I start to have the ice cream. At 3 weeks diet, me depend, you know. I never remember until I start to have the ice cream. And you know, when I eat the ice cream for a while, no cake and no cookies and them something there. And you grab and pass it like this. You don't fast, you know. Don't fast, man. They're on the front of the museum right now. Yeah. Ice cream all of me here. No, sir. I go across to get the rice and peas and the jerk chicken, so I can just go straight to home. Damn. That's why I'm not in the public, you know. I'm not in the public most at all. But the ice cream, nice. I mean, I like to lick things. I'm a cat. I'm good at dirty car. I'm rub my cat face. I go cross and my dress I ride up. And believe me, I can't pull it down. I have the ice cream in my hand. And it's crazy. Anyway, I cross. Whoa. Whoa. People, good night. England, big up yourself. Jamaica, big up yourself. Toronto, big up yourself. Guyana, big up yourself. Everybody big up themselves. I'm almost naked outside. I tried my ice cream. Why? I'm glad to see my cat. And she said my cat is alive and she's happy and she's fat and she look good. I feel happy for that. Do you know? I love that cat, the body, you know? I walk out the door and see my ex-boyfriend, I asked him about my cat. And he showed me my cat. And I was very happy and pleased to see my cat. Cat fat and look good, they say. Well, my aunt nasty for the ice cream. Real nasty, but guess what? Long time I am now. I tell her that. Nadine, we're back here for food. Hi, babes. Ah, you come up from work already?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting some food and I'm going. I was just eating the ice cream online. I call you. You hear? I know what this tastes good. So I want to finish it. Can't put one in my teeth. Look how it's there.
You're looking sexy, yes.
Oh, hi, thank you. Thanks. People out of my ear, ice cream that everyone. Love her now. But soon talk, I try to eat this. That's my ex-boyfriend. I used to live over here with him. Right now it's done. What food?
Where you sexy so?
Why food, Nadine? Me look sexy, Nadine? You say me look sexy?
I'm going to pick up Sean. Sean soon come.
Me look sexy for you?
You look so sexy.
Oh Lord.
Yeah?
Thank you, baby. Okay, I see myself. I look sexy for you? Can I see myself?